Hello students, now we'll go for the question number 5 in 6.1. Read the question, understand first, then you will solve it. In figure 6.15, this is the figure 6.15. POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR perpendicular to PQ. OR. This is the OR perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR, between these two. And prove that finally what we have to prove? Prove that angle ROS, the middle part is equal to half of QOS minus POS. The middle part is half of angle QOS minus angle POS. That we have to prove. Okay. Here 2-3 methods are there, but I will explain very simple way. Then can do anyone. Okay. First of all, in this proofs, what is the given thing we have to select? First write given. What is given? POQ is a line. And one more condition, OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR perpendicular to PQ. Okay. To prove, what we have to prove here? Angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay. Using this one we have to prove. Clear, children? Yeah. What is the solution now? We'll go for the solution. First one, according to this situation, we know OR is perpendicular to POQ. POQ. Clear? That is a line. Okay. According to that one, we know angle QOR is equal to what is? QOR. QOR is what is here? Perpendicular is nothing but what is? 90 degrees. If this side is 90, then obviously left side also 90. What is that angle? POR. Angle POR is equal to 90. Okay. Yeah, this is right separately. Then according to this figure, we will go for that one. What is asking actually? Angle QOS, angle POS. From this first QOS value find out. Angle QOS. Angle QOS. How many angles are present in this? 2 angles are there. One is QOR and another one is ROS. Write it. Angle QOR plus ROS. Clear, children? ROS. That is number 1. Now, same way, left side one also write down. What is left side one here? Angle POR. Angle POR. Angle POR is equal to, here also 2. Yes, write that. Angle POS. Angle POS plus angle ROS. Angle ROS. That is number 2. Clear, children? I hope everyone understanding. Angle QOS is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. First time. Second time, left side thing. Angle POR is equal to angle POS. This one plus this one. These two. Okay. Here one is common angle. What is here? Both ROS. Angle ROS is the common angle. Now add 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. LHS side. What is LHS side? Angle QOS. Angle QOS. QOS plus angle POR is equal to right side. Total add it. First time, first one QOR plus angle ROS plus second one angle POS plus angle ROS. Angle ROS. Clear children? Yeah. POR value we know 90 degrees and QOR value also 90 degrees. Applying that, angle QOS no change. POR is what is? We know that is 90 degrees from this is equal to QOR also same. Apply 90 plus first write POS angle POS angle ROS plus angle ROS 2 angle ROS 1 plus 1 2 2 angle ROS. Clear? LHS side 90 degrees, here also 90 degrees. Equal to symbol, then can cancel that. What is remaining? Write down here. Angle QOS is equal to, right here, angle POS plus angle 2 into angle ROS. Clear children? Yeah. What we have to find finally? Angle ROS. Separate that one. Send one side 2 into angle ROS is equal to, what is already here? Angle QOS. If you send this side, it will become minus. Angle QOS minus angle POS. Clear? Just you are sending this one side will become, the plus become minus. Now 2 transpose right side. Finally, what is angle ROS is equal to, if you take transpose right side, it will become 1 by 2 and this is no change. Angle QOS minus angle POS. What is given actually to prove? Angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. I think we got that one, same thing? Yes. Finally, what is here? Hence proved. It's a very simple thing using what is perpendiculars, both. Just I'll go for one more time what is given here. OR is perpendicular to POQ. POQ. That means it's 90 degrees. Angle QOR is 90 degrees. Angle POR also 90 degrees. Clear children? These two 90 degrees. Now come to the question. Angle QOS. QOS is equal to QOR plus ROS. Second time, left side angle POR is equal to angle POS plus angle ROS. Clear? That is 1 and 2. Add these two. What is the common angle for both? Middle part is the common angle. Angle ROS is the common. If after adding QOS plus your LHS side, this one RHS side. Okay? After that, we know POR, QOR is 90, 90. Cancel. Then this ROS plus ROS. 2 ROS. After that, QOS is equal to angle QOS is equal to angle POS plus 2 times of ROS. Then transpose, you will get it. Okay? Finally, hence proved.